No matter where you're at in your business right now, you can have a six-figure business. When I first started my business, my goal was to be earning $10,000 per month so that I'd be able to support my family, but really because I wanted freedom. I wanted to quit my soul-sucking corporate job, to be able to travel whenever I wanted, and to not have to worry about taking time off when my kids were sick. So I launched my business and started doing what people said, like posting on social media, blogging, doing some videos here and there, but clients were barely trickling in, and I was nowhere near six figures. I naively thought my business would just grow, but that was absolutely not the case. No one was showing up to my webinars. I had failed launch after launch after launch. I heard nothing but crickets on my social media posts, and no one but my mom was reading my blog. So I started doubting myself, and I was worried that I'd have to stay in my 9-to-5 forever and that my six-figure dream was just too far out of reach. But after 6 months of struggling, I snapped out of it, and I realized that if other people had built six-figure businesses, there was no reason I couldn't do the same. And that is when everything changed. I knew I had to stop throwing shit at the wall to see what sticks, so I created a roadmap based on what I knew about soulful sales and marketing. I quit doing all the things everyone was telling me, and I followed my strategy. There were times I wanted to quit, yes. I was still working in my full-time job, I had 2 toddlers at home, and I was recovering from a cancer diagnosis 6 months prior, so there were a lot of tears. But deep down, I knew in my heart and soul that if other entrepreneurs could hit 6 figures, I could too. And guess what? At the 1-year mark exactly, I was able to quit my job because I was earning consistent $10,000 per month, and now I earn consistent $30,000 to $40,000 per month. I now have the freedom that I always wanted, that was once a dream. Money is no longer an issue, and I'm my own boss. I've spoken on stages in Australia, in Bali, Canada, around the US, and the most important part is I'm around for my kids when they need me. We don't hit 6 figures by winging it, we hit 6 figures strategically. And in my free challenge, Create Your Roadmap to 6 Figures, I'm going to share with you exactly how I went from earning nothing in my business to consistent $10,000 months and how I've helped my clients over the years do the same. I can't wait to see you in there and help you build your strategic roadmap to 6 figures so you can have the financial freedom in your life you desire.